a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl.
I'm back today, you guys, and of course I have some more hair, and this is the hair from WowEbony. This is absolutely freaking beautiful. This is my final review on this hair. I did color it, you guys. I wanted a copper color. It's obviously not copper. I'm kind of sour about it, but it still came out beautiful, so I really can't complain. I did go in and bleach the knots, you guys, but this what has me thinking, is it virgin or not? Because I went and bleached the knots. They did not really lift at all, and I used professional grade, so I was a little disappointed in that. And then also too, I found out some tips in coloring this hair copper, so I don't think it lifted, also because it had like some type of dye on top of it, you guys. So I absolutely love the hair outside of it not coloring and such. It is still smooth to the touch, no tangling. And then I also didn't incur any shedding, and that's what I was really happy about. Even though it was probably some type of rinse or color on top of it, it definitely did not shed. So I was really happy about that, because sometimes when you're coloring hair, and I left this color on, y'all saw in the video how long I left it on. So I left it on for a minute, and for it to not have any shedding, or just have little shedding, that was actually really good for me. So you guys, out of a 10, I would give this hair a 9.5 because it is really good quality. Like I said, the cap felt really good. The hair feels really good. It straightened and did everything I needed it to do. So I am super pleased with it, you guys. So if you have any questions, don't forget to leave and comment below, you guys. I want to know what you're thinking. Remember, we talking to each other. So I love you guys so much. I'm so excited. We're at 20 freaking thousand. And kisses to you guys, and I will see you next time. Later.